welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristen and welcome if this is your first time stopping by. So I made an announcement in the community tab. I don't know if you guys saw the message. Some of you did, some of you didn't. But I am only doing one video this week. That is why this one is late. I'm going out of town this weekend and I just did not have time. So I did a poll for you guys to choose which video I did and this is the one that won. So I hope you guys enjoy this. This is going to be my Disney ear collection. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know I have a lot and this is crazy. This is not normal, so just keep that in mind. But I hope you guys enjoyed this since it was requested. If you guys have any questions or if you saw a particular pair of ears and you're like wondering where they're from or what, like when I got them, just let me know in the comments down below. I want to know how many ears do you guys have in your Disney collection because I'm very interested to see if I'm this crazy or if other people are just as crazy as I am. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I love you all so much and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!